everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Demedia, your host. In this channel, I will be sharing with you stocks and strategies that will help get me to my next $1 million. To me, investment is finding the next superstar and holding on to it for the long haul. If you like what you hear, then help me beat the evil YouTube algorithm by smashing all the YouTube buttons together, or simply hit like and commenting below. If you are ready to invest, consider using the 2 links in the description box to start an account with Webull and earn free stocks. With Webull, you get 4 free stocks and you can trade before and after hours. Okay, let's dig in for the next superstar. Hello everyone. I trust that everyone is doing very well this week. From all the penny stocks explosions, I know that all the companies that I have made a video, and if you've bought into them, you are prospering now. And that makes me happier more than anything. Today, I'll be introducing to you another winning company. And you guys all know how much I love disruptive innovation. So this company is definitely one of those. The company's name is VPER Networks Company. The ticker is VPER. It's trading in the OTC markets. It went up about 52% today. And it's trading at 6 cents. The company is headquartered in Michigan, founded in 1983. VPER Networks is a premier telecommunication and network engineering solution provider in the field of LED technology and the Internet of Things integrations through the implementation of smart city solutions and smart grid technology, incorporating wireless communication, cellular network, and micro subsystems. One of the reasons why it exploded today is because VPER Network just announced that they'll be expanding manufacturing for 5G upgrade and new solar product production. So this article came out Tuesday, February 9, 2021. It says that VPER Network, an international leader in the LED lighting products and integrated system markets for smart city projects, is pleased to announce that the company is upgrading their Apollo smart lights products with 5G technology while maintaining 4G capabilities. VPER Networks is currently seeking to expand their manufacturing capabilities for both the Apollo smart lights products and the emerging line of new solar products in the greater Detroit area, which will remain in proximity to the company's headquarters in the northern suburb of Troy, Michigan. In addition to the company's expectations for increased demand globally for their state-of-the-art Apollo smart lights with LED street lighting that incorporates a variety of technologies into a single design. VPER Networks is also ramping up manufacturing capabilities for their fully developed telecommunications street light poles. VPER Networks Apollo smart lights provide municipalities with the ability to control and adjust street lighting while enabling them to monitor the streets, enhance security, and manage traffic, all while significantly cutting costs and reducing the environmental footprint while creating new revenue sources for both the private and public sectors. With a full selection of intelligent LED sighting solutions, the company's product can be easily deployed into metropolitan areas, parking lots, and warehousing facilities worldwide. In other corporate news, the company's accounting firm is submitting VPER's Network 2019 and 2020 fiscal calendar year. So let's check out their website. So basically, they sell smart street lights, LED lights. I think a picture is worth 1,000 words. Here you can look at the new Apollo LED lights versus traditional street lights. Significant light. So with these Apollo smart lights, government can turn entire city into smart cities. And what do we mean by smart cities? These street lights, not only are they more bright, they come with motion sensor. The SL LED series are motion sensor equipped indoor and outdoor lights that either turn on or off or have the ability to dim to 20% power when no people or moving vehicles are near. Then as a car or person approaches, its output goes up to 100%. That's crazy. Essentially creates a pool of light that precedes and follows people wherever they go. This does not only contribute to additional savings, but increased safety. Juno can be installed in any of the Apollo LED lighting products. I love it. Highway sensor. In order for a highway to be smart, it needs to be able to detect and track cars as well as monitor road conditions. Some smart highway systems use sensors mounted along sides of the highway. These can include anything from ultrasonic rangefinders to radio frequency identification to vision sensors and radar systems. Apollo SL technology incorporates all of this into a single housing. You guys, this is super disruptive, super sexy technology, and I love this idea. Definitely going to transform urban development and how city planners plan out the city. I just love the innovative part about this, how this is going to just change everything. So with the camera, infrared camera, it can handle several image sections all at once. One or more image sections can be corrected for perspective in the hemispheric view, allowing you to monitor and record several different areas of a street at the same time, something that a mechanical PTZ camera is not capable of doing. It is discreet and low maintenance. Hemispheric cameras are extremely discreet because they manage their task with only one lens, which is generally focused on the entire room, street, or parking lot, and not a specific object. The Mobile Tix hemispheric cameras are without mechanical moving parts and require low maintenance, spanning 180 degrees if the camera is mounted on the wall, providing a wall-to-wall view of the room without any blind spots. It offers a substantially better view of the scene. Compared to other cameras, it also results in the need for fewer cameras overall. When mounted overhead, the one camera can also capture an entire area by 2 panoramic views. It keeps objects in view at all times. They also have VPER Messenger, which is the equivalent of WhatsApp. It features free communication peer-to-peer worldwide, end-to-end encryptions, video, voice, and text, create groups. There's no advertising. There's file sharing, and many more features to be added. At 6 cents per share, this is definitely a steal. It hits all of my sexy buttons. The solar energy, the 5G, the disruptive quality, definitely worth holding on for the long term. In any case, I hope that you liked today's interview. Please consider hitting that like button. Thank you very much and have a good day.